Now we look at the geometrical problems from the Rind papyrus. Problem 50. Find the area of a round field of diameter 9. So we look at their solution. And now we know that the area formula of a circle should be pi r squared. So we will plug in here, pi times half of diameter will give us the will give us the radius. So r here, that is radius. So we will take 9 divided by 2 and square that. That will give us pi times 81 over 4. And if we use the value of pi, 3.144 pi times 81 over 4, we can use calculator. That will give us 63.8585. So this is, of course, it's an approximation. So this is our modern way again. So if we look at Egyptian's way, which is right here, that's their solution. Take away 1/9 of the diameter. So we're gonna take 1 away from 9 in this case, and then square it. So we get 8 squared, that's 64. And compared to our answer, it's actually pretty close. So this is when you do the homework, and you will use Egyptian's way, not the modern way. So don't use 3.14. Okay, so let's see. By looking at their way, what is the formula they used to find the area of a circle? So this is our formula, current formula. And if we look at their way, take away 1/9 of the diameter. So we're going to use the letter D to represent diameter. So we have, of course, they did not generate this formula, but we're going to try to generate the formula for them by following their way. So 1/9 of the diameter. So we take 1/9 of the diameter from D, which means subtract. So we subtract 1/9 of D from D. In our case, 1/9 of D is 1. This corresponds to 1/9 of D. And the 9 is the diameter, and then we square it. So if we so this is their area formula, Egyptian's area formula, and simplify it. D minus 1/9 of D is 8/9 of D, and then squared. Okay, so this is the Egyptian's area formula. When you do the homework and try to find the volume of the cylindrical granary, you will use the formula, the base area, the area. So the cylindrical granary, so if we have a cylinder, we know the formula, the base area, A times the height. So we use the base area A times height, and the base, it's a circle. So the modern formula, of course, is going to be, again, the modern formula. We know the correct formula should be the base area times height, and that is pi r squared times h. But when you do the homework, use Egyptian's way. So their area formula is this one. That's what they used. So 8/9 D squared times h. And make sure you remember that this D in the formula is diameter, not radius. So pay attention to that.